Is poppin', guys? So today we are going, as you read by the title, I'm going to show you guys how to, what tutorial was I doing again? Oh, how to use presets on VideoStar. So, yeah, so your VideoStar is free. Oh, let me scooch over. Okay, here's my screen. Wait. Forgot to start screen recording. Here's my screen now, so my screen should be there. If you go to the App Store, search VideoStar. It's free, but you might need to buy a pack for this, which you could buy separate packs or you could buy all of them for $5 a month, I think. But the app is free and you might not need to buy anything. Hold up. I was recording a video, so I'm in VideoStar. So press the plus button and then press any one of these formats. I'm going to do square, I guess. And press edit video. And then you're going to want to scroll very far down until you get a audio or a song that you want to use for your edit. This one might work. That'll work. So get any audio for Musical.ly, anything. So when you want the first transition to go, you're going to need to hear the audio, and when you want it, you pause it, and like this. This is where I want mine to go. Hold on, there. So then you're going to press edit, and then split scene, and then split again. Then this is the first place you're going to want to put your first image. Oh, hold on. You're going to press new, and then multi-layer clip. Then you want to press 1, then photo, or, yeah, anything. I'll transfer, I guess, a Brandy edit, I don't know. Then you're going to want to just crop it to where you want it. It'll probably edit into a square, though, like that. You can make the background any color. I'll make it black. And then you want to press this button up in the corner, this one. Press import. And what you're going to need to do next, go to Safari, search preset 1 and 2 video star. And then search. And then if you go to images, there should be some, yeah, here. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to find the one you want. So I'll just do shake/bounce, and then you're going to need to, get swipe next out of here. You're going to need to screenshot it, and I'm pretty sure if the X is still in it, that's okay. Just crop it to like that. Then go back, press camera roll, and your preset should be not there. So you got to find one that's the full thing. So let's do, we have bumpy shake here. So let's take that, and I already have a bunch of presets, but for this video I'm gonna get another one. And also there's this, where did that go? Hold on. Berry Blast coloring, yeah, I need that one. Also, I forgot, you could also get filters instead of transitions too if you want. That's pretty cool. But anyway, go back and press the one you got. Mine was bumpy shake. So then you're gonna press yes. Then this is what it'll look like now. And then what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to go to your next image, and you could split it to any, like how and stuff. Number 1 will be the transition at the end of the video, and number 2 will be the transition of the first. So I'll do a tutorial on that later. Oops, I did something wrong. So then you're going to press import, yes again, blah, 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 and I'm going to just use the same transition. Oh, wait, no, I can't. Never mind. With this one, you can't. So you're going to need to find some random transition, so I'll do this one, because it's 2, so it'll be at the front. You're going to need to delete the first thing, so then it's not like that. Also, the Berry Blast coloring, I'll show you that too. This is the transition now. That's what it looks like. So let's try the Berry Blast coloring thing. So you're just gonna need to insert this clip, and then it's a preset as well. Berry Blast, yes. It's kind of just purplish blue. So yeah, that's how you do that. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, subscribe.